any minute I might go schizo. How can I tell Dad? His son is a junkie.
Come on, Stanley. There's a very simple precaution. Just don't wear the lab coat.
That's true, John. That's a good point.
Dr. Brian Hanley did not take PCP. He absorbed it. So what do you say, Trapper? It all adds up, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty good. You know, as a doctor, you're a good detective. But you're a terrible attorney. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some apologizing to do to a friend.
Gates, what's it feel like just before you freak out?
Buck up, Stanley. We'll all be right behind you.
Huh?
You can count on us, Doc. We'll stick with you till the end.
Through thick and thin. What are friends for?
Gee, thanks. You guys don't know what a relief it is to know that you got friends standing behind you in a crisis. That's worth everything. Guys? Guys? Come on, quit your kidding, guys.
Did you hear that? What? Nothing. Isn't it great?
Mrs. Needleman, where are you going?
Back to Bay, General. Ain't that a bummer?
They can't take you away. What about our lunch plans?
Tell them about your will.
What will? Oh, I forgot all about that.
Oh, I got a will, all right. What I haven't got is money. To tell you the truth, I haven't got a dime.
But you said...
Well, I lied. I just wanted to have friends around me before I kicked off. And admit it, a buck can't buy you much, but it can buy you friends. And I caught you, didn't I?
Mrs. Needleman? May I visit you tomorrow?
You like poor people?
No, I like to give back rubs.
Well, I have to admit, Brian, considering all that you've been through the past few weeks, you look pretty good.
Well, I'm going to look a lot better on the weekend when I wipe you out in racquetball.
Sure.
Thanks, Trevor.
Keep your pores closed.
Hey, Trapper. Listen to this. 3 days, 3 nights in beautiful Lake Tahoe. 3 new chairlifts, new ski lodge, new disco.
Sounds terrific. Let me look at that. To be completed by the winter of 1985. Well, I might be able to make that.
You sure?
Well, 1986.